So let's talk about the information that is already stored in the subconscious mind. जो पहले से पुरानी information है ये कहाँ से आई है? Where has it come from? Like I said, the critical faculty develops by the age of 10. उससे पहले हम जो भी हमें information मिलती है अपने authority figure से, हमारे पेरेंट्स, हमारे टीचर्स, हमारे ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स, या फिर जो भी हमें इंफॉर्मेशन मिलती है हमारे सिबलिंग से या पीयर ग्रुप से या दोस्तों से, हम उन सब वो सब इंफॉर्मेशन स्टोर हो जाती है सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में जाके. बिकॉज ऑफ द एब्सेंस ऑफ क्रिटिकल फैक्टर इट स्टोर्स इन द सबकॉन्शियस माइंड एंड इट बिकम्स अ फाउंडेशन. यहाँ पे आई वुड लाइक टू गिव सम केस स्टडीज एग्जाम्पल्स टू यू, जस्ट 2 examples. There was a woman who had this terrible fear of speaking in crowd. She was a successful businesswoman, very smart, she was very knowledgeable. She would absolutely do fine in closed group meetings and conferences, but जब भी she had to step out in the crowd, she would start sweating. Her knees would start wobbling, shaking, और you know she would start panting. उसकी heart rate उसकी बढ़ जाती थी. She was doing absolutely fine in her career, लेकिन जैसे ही crowd में उसको बोलने को कहा जाता था, she would get a fright attack. She came for a hypnotherapy session, and she went back to a memory of in the hypnotic state. She went back to a memory that was stored in the subconscious mind, जिससे कि उसने consciously भुला दिया था because it was very embarrassing for her to remember that memory. So the memory was that when she was 4, उसको उसकी teacher ने कहा क्लास में कि 6, she was 6. Her teacher told her कि go to the board and write the spelling of cat. So this is the situation. ये वो बच्ची है 6 साल की, आप क्लासमेट्स हैं, लेट्स से आई एम द टीचर एंड आई से जाओ बेटा स्पेलिंग लिखो कैट की. दिस गर्ल गोज, पिक्स अप द चॉक एंड राइट्स KAT. Everyone in the class started laughing at her. सारे बच्चे उसके ऊपर, बच्चे हैं, उनके लिए तो ये तो नई चीज़ है, ये तो बड़ी मज़ेदार चीज़ है, किसी ने गलत लिख दिया, हमको तो टीचर ने बताया था कि CAT होता है, किसी ने गलत लिख दिया, ये तो स्टूपिड है. उसके ऊपर पॉइंट आउट करके उसके ऊपर हंसने लगे सारे बच्चे. टीचर के वर्ड्स जो कि उसने सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में हिप्नोटिक स्टेट में रिवील किए वो थे, व्हाट हैव यू रिटन, हाउ मेनी टाइम्स हैव आई एक्सप्लेन दिस टू यू, डोंट यू गेट इट, दैट्स सच अ स्टूपिड थिंग टू डू. उसकी पहली नेगेटिव मेमोरी स्टोर हुई दैट पीपल मेक फन ऑफ मी, आई मेक मिस्टेक्स एंड पीपल मेक फन ऑफ मी. दूसरी नेगेटिव मेमोरी स्टोर हुई, आई एम स्टूपिड. इसीलिए जब भी वो एक क्राउड में जाती थी, ऐसी सिचुएशन में जाती थी जहाँ पे कि उसको लोगों के सामने खड़ा होना पड़ता था, खड़े होकर कुछ करना पड़ता था, शी वुड फ्रीक आउट, she would get a nervousness attack, she would get a panic attack. Only with a few hypnotherapy sessions she got over this fear. ना ही वो सिर्फ एक अच्छी she became a good speaker herself, but she started training everybody in her group how to become confident public speakers. Another example, a 45-year-old man, he was very intelligent, he was a wonderful graphic designer, and I'm not talking about him. He only had one goal, which was to start his own graphic designing company. So for more than 10 years he had been working for others. He tried everything to set his business, but nothing worked. उसने बहुत पैसा उसका खर्च हो गया, he left, उसने बीच में हार मान ली, he lost all his money, his wife divorced him. So in his hypnotherapy session, he said, and these are his words, I can never do anything right, I'm a failure, I could not even make my family feel proud of me, I'm such a loser, I deserve to be left alone. During hypnosis he went back to the time when he was 4 years old, जहाँ पे कि he saw his mom and dad fighting. So they are yelling at each other, they are throwing abuses into each other's face, and he was watching from under the bed, and he was बेचारा बेड के नीचे छुप के वो ये सब देख रहा था कि मम्मी पापा लड़ाई कर रहे हैं और बहुत कुछ सीरियस हो रहा है. दिस किड 4-year-old बेड के नीचे छुपा हुआ, ही इज स्कैर्ड, ही इज वाचिंग ऑल दैट, एंड ही हर्ड हिज मदर सेइंग टू हिज फादर, आई कोट, यू कैन नेवर डू एनीथिंग राइट, you are a failure, and that's what our son is going to be because he has your genes, genetics, not these genes, he has your genes. He is seeing that his dad is a loser and he will grow up to be just like him. You can't make your own family feel proud of you. I'm leaving you and I'm taking our son so I can save him from being a loser just like you. he is repeating his mother's words, whatever he heard at that point of time. Those words were so strongly stored in his subconscious mind. Why? Absence of critical factor. And he started believing that true for himself, by the way. Then his mom divorced his father, and he went to stay with his mother. वहाँ पे he came up with another memory when he was 7 years old. At the age of 7, वो अपने घर पे रिपोर्ट कार्ड लेके आया स्कूल से, जिसमें कि एक सब्जेक्ट में he had failed. So his mother कान पकड़ के caught hold of him, and she said to him, these are the things, I quote, these were her words. She said, I'm a failure, she said, failure, you are a loser, you are just like your father, you can never do anything right, you deserve a punishment. After this, उसने उसको रूम में बंद कर दिया. She did not give him any food, and there he was, the kid, 7-year-old kid, all alone in his room, crying. यहाँ पे उसकी दूसरी memory store हो गई, which is, I deserve to be left alone, which were his own words, I deserve to be left alone. And so, whenever he wanted to do something on his own, his subconscious mind would always, all these negative conditionings would surface from his subconscious mind, and वो हमेशा उसको उसके goal achieve करने से रोकते रहे. After 4 sessions, I think, he took 4 sessions. After 4 sessions, he was able to get rid of all this negative memory, and in a few months, he started his own graphic designing company. By as simply as going into that hypnotic state where positive ideas were given to him. This is the power of hypnotherapy.